Hello, I'm Joel Morse. I'm CEO of C3i.
Hi Joel, could you tell me a little more what are the plans of C3i for future development in Bulgaria?
Today we've announced that we're hiring another 100 people in the next couple of months. That will take our staff here in Bulgaria from 400 up to 500 people here in Sofia.
Could you go a little more in detail? What kind of services do you provide and what industries do you service?
Yes. C3i is a niche provider. We only service the pharmaceutical and global life sciences companies. So a career at C3i is really focused in on those industries, and we can provide specific services around clinical trials, patient and the new digital health, and IT services for these companies. C3i likes to think of itself as a partner to the pharmaceutical industry, not as an outsourcer. So we partner closely with our clients to provide them a global high-end service solution.
And since you are going to operate on the Bulgarian market, what are the challenges such a huge company like yours meets on the Bulgarian market?
The Bulgarian market has been an excellent market for us. Some of the challenges are to have people understand that a career at C3i is not a typical outsourcing career. It is a career where you work on global teams, and you really have to provide a lot of thinking and client engagement. No script writing, no reading from scripts at C3i.
Could you tell me a little more, what's the future of outsourcing in Bulgaria and maybe in the world?
Well, I know the future of outsourcing in the pharmaceutical sector, and that is the pharmaceutical companies are really looking not to outsource but to partner with companies that provide services that they have determined that are not core to their business. So drug companies, what's core to their business is developing drugs. What is core in our business is providing global solutions that enable clinical trial software, that engage directly with doctors and with patients, and support IT infrastructure around the world. So we don't really have outsourcing relationships. We have partnerships with the world's leading pharmaceutical companies. In fact, we work with 17 of the top 20 global pharmaceutical companies and some really new, exciting digital health technology companies.
Wonderful. And what kind of skills does it take for your future employees from Bulgaria?
Yeah, we're looking for multilingual, so people that have a good comprehension of English but speak obviously Bulgarian and another language. We're also looking for people that can think and interpret and engage and understand business models and process flows. So when you come to work at C3i, for example, we train you on the clinical trial process. How does that work? What are important? Why is it important that a doctor actually loads their data before study close? What is study close? What are the economics? Why is it so urgent that we do things at a certain rate in a certain time? All those things are important so that our employees understand the huge picture of what clinical trials is, as an example, and where they fit into it, and they can understand that they're really adding tremendous amount of value in this chain, in this process of developing drugs.
Thank you very much. This was all for me. Have a good time.
Great.